Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to cook egg korma, a full guide to this delicious dish. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need 6 hard-boiled eggs, peeled and ready for cooking. Also, prepare 1 large onion, finely chopped, and 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste. Finally, measure out 1 cup of plain yogurt, which forms the creamy base of our korma. These are the foundational elements for a rich and flavorful meal. Now, let's build the flavorful gravy. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a pan over medium heat. Add the finely chopped onions and sauté them until they turn a beautiful golden brown, which takes about 8 to 10 minutes. Next, stir in the ginger garlic paste and cook for 1 minute until fragrant. Then, add your powdered spices, such as 1 teaspoon of turmeric and 1½ teaspoons of red chili powder, mixing well. With our gravy ready, it's time to introduce the eggs. Carefully place the 6 hard-boiled eggs into the simmering korma base. Pour in about 1/2 cup of water to achieve the desired consistency for your gravy. Cover the pan and let it simmer gently for 10 to 15 minutes. This allows the eggs to fully absorb all the wonderful, aromatic flavors of the korma, making them incredibly delicious. For the final flourish, stir in 1/4 teaspoon of garam masala for an extra layer of warmth and spice. Garnish generously with fresh, chopped cilantro, adding a vibrant touch and fresh aroma. Your delicious egg korma is now ready to be served. It pairs wonderfully with steamed basmati rice or warm naan bread. Enjoy this rich, creamy, and incredibly satisfying homemade meal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.